Hey there! Today we're gonna go hiking again, and this time I'm taking you to Kapeenniemi Recreational Area. And most amazing thing about this is that we will be going there during the first snow of this year, so we should get definitely some amazing views. Let's go!
In order to get to Kapeenniemi Recreational Area, we drove from city of Jyväskylä. The distance was about 40 kilometers, and the scenery while driving was simply amazing. Kapeenniemi is a recreational, nature and landscape preservation area with a rapid fishing grounds in Äänekoski. Most of the area has been embarked for recreational use, where everyone may hike by every man's right. The many-sided path network of Kapeenniemi is well suited to nature excursionists. There are a variety of paths of different levels for any hikers can choose according to their abilities. There are also lanes, campfire sites, tent places and vantage points at the hiker's disposal in the grounds. After arriving to Kapeenniemi Recreational Area, I started off my hike. And during my hike, I was so lucky to see so many beautiful sights. And here they are. While you're watching them, feel free to subscribe and push that like button. Although the hike was not that long, but still I got quite hungry, so decided to grill up some sausage for myself. And in order to do that, I took advantage of the wood and grilling spots that were already built there for the hikers by the government. One great thing about hiking in Finland is that when you come to the national parks, everything is provided. So for instance, here we have a place where we can grill a sausage, which is a very traditional thing to do, especially when you're hiking. And in order to grill, of course, obviously we need some wood. And ta-da! We have some wood there, and that's where we're going now. After a couple of tries, we succeeded setting up ourselves with a nice fire, and as you can see, it's burning. It's a cozy atmosphere, and now it's time for some sausages. Thank you very much for joining me on this trip. I very much hope that you enjoyed these beautiful sceneries as much as I did. Stay tuned and see you next week.